Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to bring your Canva website into Shopify with Canvify, step by step. Open Canva and click the Create button. From the options, select Website. We will use the website feature throughout this tutorial to demonstrate how to create and customize your own site using Canva. Next, select Templates on this site. Browse through the available options and choose any template you like. You can use these templates directly in Canva for your project. You can also choose a different design that doesn't require a scan or vagueness plan. For example, select this option instead. This allows you to proceed without needing any extra documentation, making the setup process simpler and faster for your project needs. After adding your design, make any necessary edits by clicking on the elements you want to change. Once you're satisfied with your updates, click the Publish Website button at the top of the page. Next, a prompt will appear asking you to choose a URL for your site. You can either enter a custom URL or use the default suggestion, then click Publish to complete. Click the Publish button at the top right of your screen to make your changes live. A confirmation message will appear once publishing is complete. Review your live page to ensure everything displays correctly, and refresh your browser if you don't see the updates immediately. After completing the previous steps, you can now view your domain by locating it on this page. To check your domain, simply click on the provided URL. This link will open your domain in a new tab or window, allowing you to confirm that everything is set up correctly and visible to others. After copying the URL, open your Shopify dashboard. Navigate to the Apps section and find Canvify. Click on Canvify to open the app so you can continue the setup process. To use Canvify, you need to subscribe to the premium plan. Upgrade your account to access all of Canvify's features. You must have at least $14 available per month to access this plan or feature. You can either use this option directly or start by clicking File. Then, simply enter your card information in the required fields. Make sure all details are correct before proceeding to the next step in the process. Go to Billing. Here, you can add your payment methods. To import a page from Canva, first select the Canva file. Then, follow the prompts to import your page directly from Canva. This streamlines your workflow and ensures your payment and content management are handled efficiently within the platform for better organization and access. Copy this link. Then, after copying, paste it into your Shopify page where you want the content to appear. Save the changes to update your Shopify page. You can now publish your project by clicking the Publish button in the top right corner. Now you know how to bring your Canva site into Shopify with Canvify. Hit like and subscribe for more quick Shopify tips.